Hello there, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with the launch of our March kit. If you're new to my kits, they are launched on the 1st of the month, and they are unique projects that come with their own project sheet. So for March we have got a folder album altered in the vintage Hollywood papers, and it measures 8 1/4 deep by 7.5 wide by just over 1.5 inches deep on this side and 1 3/4 on the right, and it's full of interesting detail. I love the papers. We've added a bit of gold here just to make it sparkle because it is Hollywood, and then decorated the spine and the back of the album and the other spine. And it's all held together with an elastic closure with a buckle on. So if we undo that and lift open the side flap, then we can open the book. And it's a flip-flap book inside. That's not easy to say. So opening it up, on the left-hand inside cover, we have got a really nice deep pocket with a magnetic closure and lots of space to put bits and pieces, tickets, credit cards, receipts, whatever you like to keep in your albums. And then a deep pocket behind. I've just popped a couple of photo mats in there, but you could add whatever you like to put in your books. And then sliding it across, we have got 2 sort of pocket pages, but they are half-sized with photo mats in, or journaling cards, or they could just be photos. You could slip all sorts in. There is room to double up as well, so you could put them back to back, put your pictures in back to back, however you like to fill your albums up. It's all decorated in the really brilliant bright colours of Hollywood, with all of the posters from the stars threaded through the album as well. So I've gone blue and orange on this page, and then if we flip the page over, we go green with some of the little black and white articles and cream backings on the photo mats. And then let's just lift this page up. We've got 2 pages that have got 4 photo mats in. So a little pocket that these 2 slide under, a deeper pocket that the other pair slide into, and then opening up, that's replicated on the other side. So again, there's room for lots and lots of little bits and pieces in this album. It's a really fun one to make. And then opening up, we've got a centre spread with 2 lift up sections, nice area for photos in under the sides, and then 2 places for journaling or more photos or receipts or patterns or cards, whatever you like to put in under those 2 top pockets. They close with a magnet, and then you get to the centre where there's 2 more deep pockets and a lovely fold up photo area with a little band and another place to pop things. So lots and lots of room for all sorts of bits and pieces. And don't forget, once you've got the pattern, then you can replicate it in other papers as well. So these are exclusive to my website. They are available from today, the 1st of the month. And so if you're interested and you'd like to order or find out more information about the kits, when they come out, how they're distributed, then do follow the link below. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel to be kept up to date with new videos and projects as they come out.